Hello, children. Welcome to Mathspedia, a maths learning hub. As you know, we have already started numbers of class 5th, right? And so far, we have learned large numbers, number names, standard and expanded forms, face value and place value of the numbers, Indian and international system of the numbers, predecessor and successor, and today we will learn greatest and smallest number, how to form greatest and smallest number using the given digits, and also what is the greatest and smallest number of particular digit numbers. Right, let's begin then. First of all, we'll see the greatest and smallest numbers of digit numbers, say 1 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit, right? So in the given table, let me write first digits, like number of digits, then smallest number. See, when we start counting, we naturally count with 1. Yeah, we start with 1. But otherwise, if someone asks you what is the smallest number or what is the greatest number in the numbers, then there is no particular answer, because numbers are vast. Like, there are so many numbers: natural, integers, whole numbers, real numbers. So many numbers are there. So you can't say that particular number is smallest number and particular number is greatest number. But from the counting numbers means when we start counting, we start with 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So we start with 1. So that way, if you see the numbers from 1, what is the smallest number? It is 1. Why? Because when we begin with the number, that is 1. So 1 is the smallest number of 1 digit. 1 digit means only single digit is there. So 1 digit numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because after 9 starts 2 digit numbers, right? 10 has 2 digits. It is not a single digit number. And 9 is the predecessor of 10, and 10 is the successor of 9 that we learned in the previous video. So as I told you, 1 digit number, smallest number is 1, right? And where this single digit number ends, it ends at 9, because after 9 starts 2 digit number, that means 10. So that way 10 is the 2 digit number, starting of the 2 digit, right? So can I say that 2 digit smallest number is 10? And again, 2 digits, they stop at 99, because after 99, 100 is the 3 digit number. And it is the starting of 3 digit numbers, that means it is the smallest 3 digit number. So now, if you have observed, in the smallest numbers, there is always 1. 1 is there. So you have to see what you are asked. If you are asked, like for example, 4 digit smallest number, so in that 1 you will keep 1, and the remaining 3 will be the zeros. So in all 4 digit number, you will form the smallest number. And in the greatest number, if you see, all 9s are there. So if it is 1, so 1 9, 2 digit number means 2 9s. Similarly, if someone asks you, like, give me 5 digit greatest number, so you will write 5 9s. Clear? Let's take here, for example, I am writing 5 digit smallest number. So in the smallest number, as I told you, 1 will be there, then remaining 4 will be the zeros. Clear? Let's insert the commas here so that we can read it comfortably. It is 10,000. And 5 9s if I keep to make the greatest 5 digit number, and after inserting the commas, it becomes 99,999, right? Similarly, if I make 7 digits smallest number, 1, then rest all 6 zeros. So in all there will be 7 digits, 4, 5 and 6. Let's insert commas here after 3 digits, then 2 digits, and then this 2. So it is 10, and then how many zeros are there? 5. 5 is for lakhs, so it is 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the 7 digit smallest number. And if I say 7 digit greatest number, so all 7 nines. Right? So let's insert the commas after 3, 2. So it is 99. 5 places means lakhs, as I told you. So 99 lakhs, 99,999. So this is the way to form greatest and smallest digit numbers of given, the number of digits you are asked. Form 4 digit or 7 digit or 5 digit or 8 digits. So in the smallest, just keep in mind that you write 1 and rest all zeros, making it the total number of digit smallest number. And greatest all nines. Now let's see how to form the smallest and the greatest number using the digits given to you. For example, you are given some digits and you are asked to form the greatest number. How will you make the greatest number out of those digits? So you just have to do one thing. You have to arrange all those digits which are given to you in the descending order. Descending means decreasing order. I suppose you have learned in your previous class descending and ascending order. So like for example, there is a ladder and you are coming down. So when you are coming down, that means you are decreasing. So from bigger to smaller you are going. So whatever the greatest number digit is given to you, that you will place at the greatest place value chart. At the greatest place. So that way you will go to smaller number, from bigger to smaller, and that way whatever number is you are getting, that is your greatest that many digit number. Similarly, if you are asked to form the smallest number using the digits, you just place them in the place value chart, but this time you will arrange them in the ascending order, means the smallest number first, then greatest number. Clear? Let's take an example to make it more clear. Like for example, here we have 8 digits we are given: 9, 4, 0, 8, 2, 1 and 5 and 3. So with these digits you are supposed to make greatest and smallest number. So for that, let's have a this thing, place value chart. So first place is always of ones, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. Right? Since we have 8 digits, no? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crore. From crore we will start. We are given 8 digits, right? So which is to form the greatest number, we are to write in the descending order. That means first of all we have to find out the biggest digit. Which is the biggest digit here? It is 9. So 8 digits means from this place we will start, crores place. So 9 will be placed at crores place. Then next bigger number is 8. And the next one is 5. And then it is 4. Then it is 3, 2, 1 and 0. Let's insert the commas to read the number, what number we have made. The greatest number of 8 digits is 9 crore 80 plus 5, 85 lakhs, 40 plus 3, 43,210. 9 crore 85 lakhs, 43,210. This is the biggest number, greatest number of these 8 digits what we are given. And if I am supposed to make the smallest number using these same digits, so for smallest number I am to arrange them in the ascending order. Ascending means first of all I have to see the smallest digit. Smallest digit is 0. But if I place 0 here, first of all at the crores place, it has no value. So the number will not be 8 digit number, it will be 7 digit number. Because the 0 placed at crores place or at any bigger place, it has no value. But I am supposed to form the 8 digit number, in that 0 should also be included. So 0 will not be placed very first. Whenever you are given 0 in the digits, you will not place in the first place. Like in the ascending order, if you are to make the smallest number, for the ascending order, first of all you will place the number digit which is little bigger than the 0, then next you will place 0. So here it is 1. Suppose if we don't have 1 and we have 2, so we will place 2 first, right? But we will never place 0 at the biggest place value to form the smallest number, because that 0 has no value. So after 0, what is the smallest number here? It is 1. So first I'll write 1 at the crores place, then I will write 0. Clear? So whenever you are given 0, you will write it at the next place, because first place it has no value. Then rest all same. Now let's begin in the ascending order. After 1, since we wrote 0, so what is the bigger number after 1 is 2. Then what is the bigger number? 3. If you see the above number, just you have to go backward, like see 0, 1, 2, 3. So we didn't write 0 first, we wrote 0 here and then 1 here. So now rest all. Now I will write 4, then 5, 8 and 9. It is an ascending order from smaller to greater, right? Let's place the commas. So what is the smallest 8 digit number using the given digits? It is 1 crore 2 lakh 34,589. Now what if this 0 I had placed here? It would have become 20 lakh, right? What if I had placed this 0 here? It would have become even bigger number. Suppose 3 must have been here then, so it will be 32 lakh 4,000. We are supposed to make the smallest number 1 lakh 32,000 or 32 lakh or 20 lakh. They all are bigger than 1 lakh 1 crore 2 lakh, right? So smallest number is formed like this. If you are given 0, to make the smallest number, to arrange them in the ascending order, never place 0 at the beginning, because it will be the 1 digit lesser number. Like it is 8 digits, it will become 7 digits, because that 0 has no value. So always put 1, whatever the next number is given to you, bigger than 0, but smallest in the from the other digits, that you keep first, then you keep 0, and then rest all the digits in the ascending order. Clear? I hope this is clear to you, and this way you can form greatest and smallest number using the digits given to you. And I also taught you like how to form the greatest and smallest number using the digits, like 1 digit, 2 digit and 4 digit or any digit number, right? So I end here, and thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.